Okay, Myra, I have a surprise for you today.
Oh, what is it?
We have printed 5 dinosaurs which are hiding in this box.
Okay.
Don't look at it.
Alright.
So I'll show you one at a time
Okay.
and you will have to tell me its name.
Okay.
Let me pull out the first one. Here it comes. Okay, Myra, who is this scary dinosaur?
It's a T-Rex.
It's a T-Rex. T-Rex is the king of the dinosaurs. And T-Rex has little arms.
I know.
It's like that? Yeah. But it's still the strongest of all the dinosaurs.
Oh.
Next one. Here he comes. What about this one? You know this one? No? Here is a hint. 3 means try. It has 3 horns. That means try. Do you know the name?
Yeah, Triceratops.
Triceratops. You are correct. Triceratops use its horns to protect itself from T-Rex. It can fight with T-Rex. Oh, looks like it is heavy and tall. Wow, look how tall this one is.
Wow.
Look at the tail and the neck.
It's
Do you-
really tall.
Do you know this one?
Yes?
Which one is this one?
Brachiosaurus.
It's Brachiosaurus. It eats plants and trees. It does not eat other animals.
Oh.
Now we have a small one. Look how small is this one.
Oh, it's smaller than the other one.
Yes.
It's a baby one?
It's not a baby. This one runs very fast.
Oh, I know.
Do you know which one this is?
Yeah, Velociraptor.
Velociraptors, right. You know, Velociraptor actually is the size of a turkey.
Really?
what?
Yes, it's very small.
It's so small and so cute.
Okay, the last one.
Okay.
You know, this dinosaur looks like it's wearing a armor. See?
Yes.
It protects itself with the armor. Do you know this one?
Mm,
Okay, I can help you. It's Ankylosaurus.
Ankylosaurus.
Big club on the tail, and it uses this big club to smash its enemies. It's like it smashes its enemies with its tail. So Myra guessed 4 out of 5. Good job. Kids watching at home, what's your favorite dinosaur? Tell Myra in the comments. Myra, what's your favorite?
My favorite is the king.
Is the king?
Yeah.
What is the name of the king?
T-Rex.
T-Rex. Nice. All right. Hit subscribe and we will see you next time.
Yeah. Bye. Wow.